My name's Simon Elliott and I've been a motorcyclist since I was 6 years old. My father built my first motorcycle when I was 6 and I rode it in the Horsham Scramble Club. And from there on we've ridden motorbikes. My father, he rode in the Isle of Man, he rode for Ariel and for Valicet as a clubman racer and did reasonably well on the machines that they provided at the time. So we've been around motorcycles for, well, 50 years. So, you know, it's in the blood, and we've set up this sort of collection of which we now sell the odd one off. I got into the motorcycle thing, as I said, as a child, and it's sort of over the years I was able to purchase the odd bike, and then I never sold it, I kept it, restored it, and then as time went by the shed got fuller, so another shed had to be made, and then that shed filled up until one day I sort of found I was cleaning more bikes than riding them. So at that point I decided possibly the answer is to sell a few. I've really enjoyed meeting fellow bikers that want to own the stuff that I've desired, and so I sold a few, and here we are today. We've now got a bike shop, and they're all bikes that I've bought because I like them and not for any other reason, and so we've sort of developed the business from there. It's a very casual thing. It's not the mainstay of my business, but it's run by an enthusiast for enthusiasts, really. The bike we're discussing today is a CB750 F2 Phil Reed replica. These were made in small numbers for Honda by Colin Seeley to commemorate the 1977 win for Phil Reed at the Isle of Man. He won on a 750 Honda single overhead cam engine, and Honda decided that they would like to promote the brand by producing these bikes, of which they made 150, and today we believe there's somewhere between sort of 40 and 50 bikes still around. This particular model was in a dealership in London, and it was Crisp Brothers. Now, whether it was undesirable at the time, one doesn't know, but it sat around in their showroom. It was in the front window of their showroom for 2 or 3 years, and then the owner of the business registered it in himself and used it occasionally. It's currently done 9,300 miles. It has got some decals on the side that appertain to Crisp Brothers. It's in pretty good original condition. No paint work has been done on it, and it runs very nicely. You know, it's a very nice example. At the time when these bikes were around, I remember them and always sort of wanted one, but I couldn't afford one at the time, and I had a 750 F2 myself, just the conventional straightforward motorbike. And when this one came up for sale, I sort of took the bull by the horns and bought it. It's a 3-owner bike, and that's really about all I can say about it, I think. Currently this machine's for sale. It's on our website, which is www.idealmotorcycles.co.uk. We're here Monday to Friday, and it's always best to ring beforehand just to make sure that I am currently on site, because I am out and about quite a lot. So yeah, by all means, we gladly accept visitors to come round and have a look.